Hey, beautiful babes. It's Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, go ahead, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and that way you'll be one of my beautiful babes and you'll be in the know with all of the great stuff I gotta talk about. Y'all know spring is here. It's sandal time. It's time to get those feet and those toes looking pretty. So you know what? If you don't spend all winter with those cracked heels, I got something for you today to help eliminate your issues. So if you're ready for it, let's come on over and let Mama talk to you about how to get rid of those cracked heels and those rusty feet. And also, you can work on your hands with this one as well. Let's talk about it. Now, people who experience or have cracked heels, they know how distressful they feel. Cracks in the skin on heels are generally known as heel fissures. They occur when skin becomes extremely dry and aggravated. This thick, brittle skin is calluses and it looks awful on the heels. Fissures on the heels can also develop from the bottom of your foot or on either side of the foot. Once the skin of the foot gets worsened, it can result on the surface to bleed. Now that is extreme cases. That's when you have not taken care of it at all. But if you're there already, that bleeding can cause disease and other skin complications. So we're here to give you a solution. This great home remedy actually includes alum powder. Alum powder is one of the best solutions for treating cracked heels. Alum acts as a good exfoliator, which helps in removing dead cells all over the heels and the feet. Okay, so we're going to talk right now about how to mix it up and how to apply it. All you need is 2 spoons of alum powder. And to help with moisturizing the feet, just use 1 spoon of coconut oil. This is my preference, but you can also use any other oil you have on hand, such as olive oil or lavender or rosemary, whatever you have. You need some moisture in here, so put it in this mixture. And then top it off with 1 spoon of honey. Yes, honey, not the one with the little bear on it. Try to get you some organic honey. If you don't have that, can't get out to get any, go ahead and use what you have. Now once you've mixed this up all nicely, apply this mixture on the cracked heels or your feet or your knuckles. Perfect. Now massage it in for about 4 to 5 minutes and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done, finally wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat, repeat, repeat. The way to do any treatment is that you have to be consistent with it. Now for at least 2 to 3 times a week, take care of those cracked heels, and guess what? Naturally, you'll end up with some soft and smooth feet without any cracks, and they'll be nice for your sandals. For springtime, for summer, for the rest of your life. Continue this process week after week, 2 to 3 times a week. And there you have it, a simple treatment to get your feet pretty for sandal time. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, definitely bringing you something I know you can use. If you did in fact enjoy the video and you got something out of it today, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on it. All of the ingredients that I mentioned in this video, I've provided you with my Ready Shop links. Just head on over to my Amazon store and shop away. Thank you so much always for supporting this channel, and I appreciate all of you. Beautiful babes, listen, I know your feet are going to be pretty But what about everybody else's? So you know what you got to do for your girl. Always watch the video to the end and make sure you share it with a friend. That's right, share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm. She's been breaking chains since the day she was born. They tried to silence her truth, but oh, she sings